A company just built an AI so powerful at hacking that they refused to give the full version to the public. I'm serious guys, and the unrestricted version of this model is only available to cyber defense teams working at the US government. You and I are not allowed to touch it. But here is the twist. They took that exact same brain, put guardrails on it and released it to everyone yesterday for free for now. It's called Claude Fable 5, and in the next 10 minutes I'm going to show you what it can already do and why, if you're not building with this stuff right now, you're going to wake up to a reality. You're going to wake up in a year wondering how everyone passed you. Hi guys, I'm Amrit and let's get into the video. Okay, now let me start with the story of how we got here. Back in April this year, Anthropic, the company behind Claude, quietly released something called as Mythos preview. They did not put it on the app and they did not let creators play with it. They gave it to a tiny group of cybersecurity organizations and infrastructure provider in partnership with the US government under the program called as Project Glasswing. Now you must be like, why so secretive? Because this thing is genuinely dangerous in the wrong hands. According to Anthropic, Mythos, which is a class model, are scary good at discovering and exploiting software vulnerabilities. They can make cyber attacks substantially cheaper and easier to pull off. We are not talking about the chatbots that can write your emails. Rather, we are talking about an AI that can plan and execute technical side of cyber attacks. So just take a moment to understand this. The capability was so high that the company's answer was no. The public can't have this yet. Fast forward to now, they figured out the safety layer and they split the model into two. Number one is Mythos 5, a full power, no cyber guardrails, still locked to those trusted by the governments and defense partners. The other one is Fable 5, the same underlying model but with safety classifiers bolted on. When you ask it something risky around cybersecurity or biology, it quietly hands your request to the smaller model Opus. And here's the kicker guys, that safety net only kicks in on less than 5% of conversations, which means 95+% of what you do, you're getting full access to the Mythos level brain. And that is what got released to the public today. The most powerful AI ever made, generally available. And almost nobody is talking about what it can actually do. So now let me show you one by one what Fable 5 is capable of. Number one, and this one is crazy guys, coding. According to Stripe, the payment giant which got early access, they had this massive code base, 50 million lines of code. And they gave Fable 5 a migration task that would have taken whole team of engineers more than 2 months by hand. And the model completed it in single day. 2 months of senior engineering compressed into just 1 day. Now think about what that means if you run a business. The thing that used to be your bottleneck, we don't have enough engineers, it will take weeks, that wall is now gone. Number two, you don't even need to know how to code. Here is where it gets interesting. One of the companies testing it said something that stuck with me. Apps that used to take 100 prompts a year ago to create, now with Fable 5, you can just get them done in one shot. Basically with one prompt, your full app can be ready now. A developer at Automatic, the company behind WordPress, tested it by asking it to build a complete, fully editable website theme in one shot. And Fable 5 was able to create a fully editable version native to the WordPress pattern. And according to engineer, it is next level. So if you have got an idea for a tool, an app, or a little business, the gap between I have an idea and I have a working product just shrank to an afternoon. Number three, it can see. And I mean really see. This might sound silly, but just stay with me. They had Fable 5 play a video game called Pokémon Fire Red. Earlier versions of Claude needed a whole pile of helper tools just to limp through it. Fable 5 beat the entire game using nothing but screenshots. That is pure vision guys. Now why does this matter to us? Because it can rebuild a web app's source code just from looking at screenshots. If you see a design that you like, it can recreate it exactly. And it can also pull exact numbers out of complicated charts and scientific figures. This basically means that your AI now has working eyes. Number 4, and this one is for the founders and the analysts watching. It is not just a coder. On a senior level finance reasoning benchmark, Fable 5 scored the highest of any big model. It has big jumps in reading documents, interpreting charts, and actual problem solving. It tops nearly every benchmark out there. And here's the part that genuinely feels like science fiction. Using the Mythos version, scientists sped up parts of their drug design process by around 10 times. It came up with a brand new scientific hypothesis in molecular biology that human scientists preferred about 80% of the time in blind comparison. And one of the hypotheses got independently confirmed by another lab. This means an AI is now proposing original science. That's not autocomplete, guys, that is a research partner. So let us now zoom out, because here's the thing nobody is saying. For years, the divide was people who had the access to powerful AI and people who didn't. That divide is now gone. It is on your phone, it is free right now, and everybody has it. The new divide, the one that actually matters, is between the people who use it to build things and people who just watch videos about it. And yes, I see the irony of saying that in a video you're just watching. So let us fix that. Quick reality check, guys, and I'm not overselling, and it is not magic. Anthropic deliberately made the safety filters cautious, so sometimes it will block harmless requests by mistake, and it is expensive. It is currently the priciest model out there per use. For paid plans, it is free through June 22nd, and after that you will need usage credits for a while. So if you want to play with it at zero cost, the clock is ticking. Now remember how I started this video? A model so powerful, the full version is locked behind the government. You're getting 95% of the same power in your browser today. The companies in this video, Stripe, GitHub, WordPress, they are not waiting, and they don't have anything you don't have. Same tools, same access. The only difference is they opened the thing and started building. So here is my actual ask, and it is not like and subscribe. Okay, you can do that as well, but the real ask today is open Claude and build one tiny thing. A tool, a script, a website, or anything. Then come back and drop it in the comments. I want to see what you made, and I'll reply to as many comments as possible. Don't get left behind watching, guys. Go build, and I'll see you in the next one.